how to expedite family-based applications. In some categories, like when a US citizen apply for their siblings, it takes almost 13 to 15 years. In some countries like India, China, Mexico, and Philippines, it takes even longer than that. So a lot of time people ask the question how to expedite family-based applications. Number one, I have to say that if there is any delay related to visa bulletin, there is no way to expedite it. Please, you have to remember this thing. If the delay is related to the visa bulletin, and most cases, this longer time comes with a visa bulletin related delay, there is no way to expedite it. However, there are some other kind of delays you can definitely expedite it, and that is our focus of discussion today. Number one, if you can file all the applications properly with all the appropriate fee and all the appropriate documents, definitely it will save your time. A lot of time I see that people submit I-130 application for their family members, and after like 1 year or 2 years, the I-130 application gets rejected. Then you are losing 1 or 2 years of very valuable year. So please file I-130 application properly with appropriate fee and supporting documents. Next thing is, once your priority date is present in the visa bulletin, then you can apply for the next step, which is if you are in America, if your beneficiaries are in America, they will submit I485 application. However, if they live in a foreign country, they will apply for immigration visa petition, DS-260 form to your local US embassy. Now, once you submit your form, if you are not getting the interview date, in many cases, I know that people don't get interview date even like after 2 years or 3 years of submitting your DS-260. Once you are documentarily qualified, embassy has a responsibility to schedule an interview and take the interview. If they delay more than 6 months, you can file writ of mandamus. However, before filing writ of mandamus, there are some other remedies that I want you to try. Not all the time it works, but it's worth trying because it's very free. It's free or very inexpensive. Number one, you can contact your local congressman, US congressman, your federal congressman or senator. Please do not contact your state senator or congressman for this immigration purposes. They don't have jurisdiction over USCIS. Only federal congressmen and excuse me, only federal congressmen and senators have jurisdiction over USCIS. Contact your federal congressman and senator and request for expedite process. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but it's worth trying. Then, if it doesn't work, there's another office called Immigration Ombudsman. Contact Immigration Ombudsman office and request for expedite processing. Again, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but it worth trying. And if you need help about this thing, we can help you about contacting your local congressman, contacting the Immigration Ombudsman office. Of course, you have to pay us some money because we're like a professional law firm. You have to pay us money to do this thing, but definitely we can help you with that. If your case is not expedited, even after contacting your federal congressman, senator, or ombudsman office, the last resort is filing writ of mandamus. A lot of people has misconception about writ of mandamus. They think that if they file writ of mandamus to any federal court, immigration officials, especially people who work in a foreign US embassy, they will be angry, they will be mad, and they will treat you badly, which is not true, because you are taking the service of American judicial system. America is land of law. Law is above everything here in America. So if you take any help from American legal system, no US official, including the embassy official, can be angry or mad and treat you badly. There is no way. If they do that, that's even a bigger crime. So please don't worry about that part. So, but before you file writ of mandamus, there are some waiting period. Like, for a student visa, usually I say that you have to wait 6 months. For H-1B related kind of things, I say you have to wait 2 months. For family-based application, after documentarily qualified, if you do not get interviews within 1 year, or even after interview, if you do not get your result within 1 year, I encourage you to file writ of mandamus. And the process for writ of mandamus is we file a writ in a federal district court. We request the judge to instruct USCIS official or embassy official to expedite your case faster. And that really helps. So far, based on our experience, people get their result within 60 to 90 days of filing writ of mandamus. This is a very good remedy. I understand this is expensive. We charge $3,000 plus there's a court fee, there is a FedEx shipping fee, but at the end of the day, it's very worthy. So, bottom line of our presentation today, if your family-based application is pending in USCIS or in a foreign US embassy, if you are documentarily qualified, if you are not getting interview, or if your interview is done but you are not getting a result, if you wait for more than 1 year, you are qualified to apply for writ of mandamus. This is really great service. I advise all of you to take this service. That was our presentation on how to expedite your family-based application.